Hey guys, this is Death Rider here. The uploading schedule might be very, very, very slow, as in we might not have much equipment because we are in we're in a place that is expected to get massive storm flow, which means we're supposed to have tremendous flood levels, and that we are probably going to die. Well, we're not gonna die, but we have really heavy flood warning. This is why the creek's normal levels are like 3 times lower than this. But we're based to have a huge, tremendous flood, along with mudslides, heavy rain, flooding, heavy winds, tree uprootings, and it's supposed to be a very deadly storm. A storm that's going to cause expected 54 deaths in a year, or in the time that it's here. I need to hurry, my tablet's getting wet. And it's not good. Everything's terrible. Yeah.